So I hope my voice is visible and the screen is also visible, right? Yeah. So today we will cover packages. What kind of packages we are, you know, using in Java right now, and the types of packages, how to create user-defined packages, and how to import those packages. So first, whenever we heard कि okay, what is package, what is the definition of package? So first definition of package, it's collection of classes and interfaces, and enumeration, annotation, and few more things. So first, it's just basic two. It's a package is collection of classes and interfaces. Second, what kind of packages are there? There are two types of packages. Basic one is system defined, that is existing packages. Second is user defined, means that we create the packages. uh, those system defines packages we use for a lot of functionalities or predefined functionalities that Java provide us. Like we are using scanner class, right? Import java.util.scanner is we are importing a class named scanner from Java package, and the sub package is util package. So we import, whenever you try to use a package, use import package name, then dot sub package name. Or when you are trying to access all the classes, put star and semicolon. If you want to access a specific class, then you can write class name and semicolon, right? So that's how we use package. So that's how we used uh, util package and scanner classes. And there is a java.lang package that is system defined. And plus whenever we are making it, Java automatically or by default importing this java.lang package. So there are multiple what to say, subclasses or classes that is available in lang package. And we'll start using now AWT package, swing package, and a swing to create desktop applications, and util package we are using. But yeah, we will try to get into more okay, what kind of classes are there, what functionalities are there for us. So util normally full form is utility, right? And AWT also has some full form, I forgot about it right now. So now we'll come to second type of that, user defined packages. So user how to create user defined packages first of all, and then how to use it. So how to create, first you use keyword package or whatever name you want to give, user defined name. So in top of the code or a file, you write package and then package name, whatever package name you want to give it. Then you can write your class and code, etc., etc. Over there it means this class A belongs to the Java 01 package. Now wherever you go or wherever you try to import, you import Java 01 dot A class, then you can create the object of that class and you can use the functionalities of those classes. So it helps कि okay, it helps to create reusability in the code. कि okay, you can create a functionality or a class, then you can give it to your whole project team, that is team of 50 people, 100 people. कि okay, this is the package name and this is the class name, you can import it and you can use it, right? So they don't have to create, they don't have to create class every time. They just have to import the package and use that class properly. So let's go ahead. So how to create a package? So in a project you can create multiple packages. So there is a project Java 10, there are already we created two packages, Java 01, Java 0, Java 10. So you can create one more package over here, user defined package Java uh, 02, and you can finish. So Java 02 package is created. Now if you will try to create a class over there, class, you can name the class anything, mm, test package, and you finish it. So automatically you see Eclipse created package Java 2, means this class is belongs to Java 02, right? Now whenever you want to access few functions, write them public, because you want to access them from different package. So public void fun, and you can write out something over here, testing packages, right? Now I want to create a class in Java 01 that can access Java 02. So test one, over there I want to create public static void main. So now there is two classes. One is test package that is into Java 02 package, and there is a test one that is into Java 01 package. Now I want to use that class over here, so I should import Java 02 dot test package. Now I have imported it. I just have to you know create an object of this package, test package t1 is equal to new test, right? Now t1 dot fun, just done. We can execute it, testing packages. Now this code is not written into this package Java 01, it is written into Java 02 in class test package. The function is fun, right? Now we can access those function or those functionalities into Java 01 through importing Java 2 package and the class. Then we can create the object of that class and use that function. uh, is it clear? मतलब, please write it out on chat so that I can understand. क्योंकि till now whatever I told you, it is clear. Nikita, Monisha, is it clear?